about how to change the default views in compound layout of OpenAE. Sometimes we will get the requirement from the client like the default view would be title and graph, not the title and table view. Let's go for the analytics. I will explain you clearly. See here, I generated one report with two columns and the default views in the compound layout is title or table view. But the client requirement is this table view is not necessary and he need one graph like bar. Okay, he need this as the default view, he don't need the table view. So in that situation, is there any solution for this? Means yes, there is one solution. That is, just go with my document. See here, first of all what we need to do is we need to do some customizations in the OBI configuration. So for that, first of all I need to go for the first step is we need to go for this path, OBI foundation, BI foundation, web, MSGDB. Just I need to go to this. Here check any custom messages folder is available or not. So here the custom messages folder is not available. So what I am doing is now I am creating newly one folder with the name of custom messages. Let's copy this and go here. See, now the custom messages are folder are is visible and it is created on 4/22/2015. So now itself I created. So under this we need to create one XML file with some tags, that is these tags. Just I am copying these all tags. Okay, just I copied this and here I am creating one new Word doc text document and I am pasting here all the tags of XML and I will save it as compound layout. Okay, I will save it as compound layout dot xml. So what we are doing here, compound layout dot xml. So the XML file is created, so I am deleting this new text document of. Let's see what is available in this XML file is, see here we are mentioning for the compound view, the first view would be title view and second would be dvt chart. So if we don't need this chart, if we need some other style like I will show you that. If you need this, I mean narrative view or view selector, table view like this, if you need means then you can insert this tag also first. But for first time now I am what using is this dvt chart I am using. Okay, we successfully copied this file into this drive. So next step is we need to restart all the OPMN services. So for that what we will do is we will go for this path OBI instances one bin OPMN CTL. See here I am stopping all, stop all. See it is going to stop. Now all the OPMN services are stopped. Now I am starting all, start all. Now all the OPMN services are started. Let us check the status. See, all are alive. So now I am going to analytics. Just I am refreshing my browser. Yes. See, it is asking sign in. So I'm logging in with WebLogic user and I'm entering the password. Oracle 123. See, just I'm creating one report with only two columns, LOB and revenue. That's it. Let's go for the results. Let us see what will happen. See, directly when I generate the report, title and graph view directly it came, not with the table view. This is our requirement to do. So we fulfilled this requirement. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will come back with another topic. Thank you.